Om Jai Sai Ma. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the basics of how to use a mala in your mantra practice. So first things first, a mala has 108 beads plus one more, a guru bead. I actually encourage you one time to count and make sure that you have 108 beads on your mala. When we practice together in groups, it's really important to make sure you have the proper number of beads on your mala. Another thing to note is the guru bead normally looks different. It maybe sticks out, it's standing up, it has an additional piece of cloth or tassel coming out the top. That is the guru bead. And we don't ever cross the guru bead or use it in the mantra practice. So it's where we start and where we stop. And I'll show you how to do that. Another important thing to know is that we don't use the pointer finger in our mantra practice. The pointer finger represents the ego. So one of the most simple and easy ways to hold the mala when you're beginning your mantra practice is to rest it on your middle finger, like this. And you start counting from the first bead after the guru bead. And you put your thumb over it. So this is the first bead. And you say a round of the mantra, and then you go to the next. Another repetition, you go to the next, and you use your thumb to keep going. And you go all the way around, till you reach the end. And that will have been 108 repetitions of the mantra. Then we've reached the guru bead. So you don't go on the guru bead, you don't go past the guru bead. Instead, you take your thumb and you flip it. And now you're ready to do another round. It takes a little bit of practice, but you'll see if we were to do another 108, instead of going over the guru bead, you flip the mala, and now you do another 108. And so that's how you can do several rounds in a row of the mantra practice. Now, when you're practicing seated, you bring the mala to your heart, and your other hand is in Gyan Mudra, straight on the left knee. You can do the mantra out loud or silently. If you were to do it out loud, you can focus on the tongue and the pronunciation of the mala. And each bead is one repetition of the mantra. So it looks like this. Om Namah Shivaya, 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 like this. And you keep going 108 times till you reach the end. Then you've completed one round, and you can stop. Often people will do one round of a mantra, or you can choose to do multiple rounds, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, 16, like that. You can also do this silently. And you can use the mala for any mantra, and it's one repetition of the mantra per bead. Those are some of the basics on how to use a mala. It's a very, very, very powerful practice. And please, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'd love to answer and help each of us in cultivating our mantra practice. Om Jai Jai Sai Ma.